How to delete rows, columns, and tables in Google Docs. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Docs. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. To delete column, simply right click on and you'll find delete column option. In this way, column has been deleted. To simply delete row, click on the row you want to delete. Right click on it and then you'll find this kind of options, and in here you'll find delete row option. Click on it and your row will be deleted. And to delete table, do the same thing, right click and you'll find delete table option and all table will be deleted. This is how to delete rows, columns, and tables in Google Docs. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.